Hi everybody on YouTube. My name's Josh and I'm going to unbox this Elegoo Mars 3 Pro that I got off Amazon. Oh
Okay.
man. I'm putting way too much thought into this. I'm not trying to become a YouTuber. I'm only doing this to see if anybody else wants to see it. I'm trying to help the people. Okay. Here we go. Let's see how they have this in here. Take a peek real quick. Yep. But now is that cut out the top?
No.
There we go. Let's see.
Really?
Yep.
I mean, at least they put enough padding in there. Why? Why you gotta show your weirdness on YouTube?
Well, I mean, I could show your face so that everybody you know knows who you get it
There
from.
you go.
Who I got it from. That's right.
Who you got it from? Excuse me?
Oh wow, how'd that get there? The magical ending. Let's see. More FEPs. Manuel. Well, this must have been shipped to the wrong person. Little kit. Extras. Power brick. Carbon thingamajig. What the hell? Oh, it's nippers. I got excited. Gloves. All the other normal masks. Ugh. Okay.
You can move. It's recording.
Get naked. Get naked. Get naked. I think this is why people do this off camera. But you never know who may want to see the printer get naked. Boom, chick, boom, chick, boom, chick, boom, chick. You like that, big boy? And or girl, we don't assume genders here. Yes, we do. We live in Texas. Remember that episode of South Park? Red Rocket. Golly, they put a lot of plastic in this. I'm gonna throw it all in the ocean. Actually, we're gonna send it to China because we recycle, and then they'll throw it in the ocean. Look it up. Oh boy. I'm excited to get fingerprints all over you. Sticky plastic. Ooh, good example. Mono X build plate for comparison. Mono X build plate that's messed up. Pause it. What the fuck? Thank you.
Yeah. Not bad. For a small form printer, that's definitely not bad. And if anybody's wondering why this is messed up, it came concave? Yeah, concave. That's the word I'm looking for. From the factory. And just haven't cared to actually sit down and fix it myself. That one's not that fun. You can do this. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now let's. Oh shit, wrong skin.
Okay, we're back. We're good. Build plate. We talked about that, right? Yes. How dare you? Okay, so let's get it set up. And moving around. US, this is the proper cord. So used to FDM. Oh, that is tiny. Does anybody have the manual for the twist tie?
No, sorry.
Ooh, that was crunchy. I really doubt it considering the normal Mars 3 doesn't have captive screws. Don't mind the background noise, that is our puppy. Great Pyrenees named Percival. These dudes are freaking geniuses! I knew it! 1 + 1 is 11! I've never had an Elegoo. So, press buttons, yes? Do. That is me, yes. Yep. I don't see any wobble, which is why I'm staring at it so intently. Okay. I know you like it. I like it too. And it likes me. Kids' school paper, close enough. Let's get this on. Elegoo, maybe have somebody wipe down the Allen keys you send, because that is greasy. Goosey goosey. Okay, so first time with an Elegoo. Didn't even think about the whole build plate rotating. Got that rotated correctly to where I can see an even amount of whatever that is. And now pressing down and tightening. a little more. Make them nice and snug. Okay. Alright, now I need to adjust by the smallest amount. That feels pretty good, right? Pretty sure that's what it says in the book too, right? Well, it says with a slight effort. Would you consider this a slight effort? Think I should go a little more? I mean, itch. Think that's a slight effort?
Yeah.
Alright. Back. Set 0. One of these buttons is yes, one of them is no. Let's take a risk. Alright. Next, let's do the light exposure test. Exposure. You jerk. Looks good to me. Don't have any more printer paper. Cool. So in the back, it's USB. This interface, blah blah blah, don't use it with anything but this. Wow, they even stuck a little piece of foam in the USB. I'll pop this bad boy open. That was a risk, but I took it. I'm making a slight mess on the table, I'm sorry.
That's fine.
Ooh, that probably wasn't good for that. That was salt sugar. I don't know if I should have this off first. Oh man. Got it all smoothie. Didn't really add any noise. Feel a fan. Neat. That seems to work. Yeah. So now we will make a couple test prints and another video. Thanks for watching. Sorry that everybody else in the room was awkward. I know. I try, but professionals are really expensive these days. We'll see you next time. Butts. Okay, a few things I forgot. Still 4K, 6.6 inch screen, 4098 by 2560 pixels, XY resolution of 35 nanometers. Could be saying that wrong. Build volume is 143 by 89 by 175 millimeters. Add a little bit on the end of those after the decimal. That's 5.6 by 3.5 by 6.8 inches. I don't know what else to tell you. It looks pretty. Let's see. Truly accurate printing with a Frenzel lens. I don't think that's quite the technology that they put in the Saturn II. Really looking forward to that, but I don't like to pre-order stuff and get disappointed, so we'll order it when it's on Amazon. Let's see. Yeah, see, so the Saturn II gets down to 28.5 nanometers. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Get the hell out of here. What are you doing in my house?